How to fix empty search bar in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Use Search and Indexing Troubleshooter. The Search and Indexing Troubleshooter is a built-in tool that diagnoses and fixes problems related to search and indexing. By running this troubleshooter, Windows will automatically identify and correct any issues causing the search bar to be unresponsive. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. If that didn't work, the tfman.exe command is essential for managing text input services. Running this command can restore the functionality of the Windows search bar. If that didn't work, restarting the Windows search service can clear any temporary glitches, reinitializing the service and resolving the empty search bar issue. Press Win+R. Type services.msc and press Enter to open the services application. Scroll down and find Windows Search. Right-click on Windows Search and select Restart. Re-registering Windows apps can reset the built-in applications to their default settings, potentially fixing issues with the search bar. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video.